Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is school graphics prints file. Total size is 4.95 GB and file is near the 1000. These files are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now in $2.99 for lifetime. All password in this app. Okay, here is font file. You see you can install, and here is a illustration pack. Okay, elements, frame, geometric frame. Okay, here is a planner. You can write 2022. Okay, here is a monthly planner, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay, for children. I think here is attendance or period. You can edit sweets, PNG. Wow, these are design. Notebook paper for print, and here is a planner. Tips for planner: monthly planner, daily planner, weekly, A4 size. Here is date. Okay, you can write anything. Here is monthly tips. Back to school autumn color page bundle. Okay, back to school clip art cards, JPG, lettering, happy creating. Okay, Sunday, ready, back to school. Okay, better. That's mean total files for printable. I hope these are useful for you. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now in $2.99. Take care, Allah Hafiz.